This is 125th Street. Transfer is available to the 4 and 5 trains.
Transfer is available to the M60 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport.
Connection is available to Metro North.
This is a Pelham Bay Park bound 6 train making express stops in the Bronx.
The next stop is 3rd Avenue, 138th Street. This is 3rd Avenue, 138th Street.
Transfer is available to the 6 local.
This is a Pelham Bay Park bound 6 express train.
The next stop is Hunts Point Avenue. This is Hunts Point Avenue.
Transfer is available to the 6 local.
Transfer to the BX6 Select Bus Service.
This is a Pelham Bay Park bound 6 express train.
The next stop is Parkchester, East 177th Street. This is Parkchester, East 177th Street.
Transfer is available to the Q44 Select Bus Service.
This is a Pelham Bay Park bound 6 train. The next stop is Castle Hill Avenue. This is a Pelham Bay Park bound 6 train. The next stop is Zariga Avenue. This is a Pelham Bay Park bound 6 train. The next stop is Westchester Square, East Tremont Avenue. This is a Pelham Bay Park bound 6 train. The next stop is Middletown Road. This is a Pelham Bay Park bound 6 train. The next stop is
Buer Avenue.
The next and last stop is Pelham Bay Park. This is Pelham Bay Park.
Transfer is available to the BX12 Select Bus Service. This is the last stop on this train. Everyone please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.